Okay, just another little update for where I was earlier today. So I got the monitor running, and that was about it, showing a picture. So I've been out into town, and now I'm back, and I've hooked up Player 2's controls. It's a little messy at the minute. I need to get some tie wrap pads to hold this sort of stuff into place. But Player 2's controls are working. Currently at the minute I have this little button here that I made on a Perspex. That's going to sit down here within the door. So open the door and it's going to be the test switch. But at the minute I've hooked it up to Credit just so I can test my controls out. Also I've hooked up one of the speakers. I'm going to be running another wire across to do the two. But geez Louise, it's quite loud with the volume down anyway. So I'm just going to turn the cabinet on. Here we go. Close this up. It's only loosely. I need to realign my buttons. Here we go. Sound. Just Credit with coin up. So controls. I'll just show you the controls running. I've only got the 3 buttons at the minute. I just hooked them up for punch because I haven't made a kick harness yet. So we got our punches, back, down, right, and jump. There we go. Right, I'm going to nip in for a cup of tea and then hook up Player 1's controls. Right, catch you in a bit.